Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So, got a 2010 Infiniti here. Y'all have heard me talk about third-party warranty companies. This car, the lady that owns this car, she spent good money for an endurance warranty contract because they told her she would never have to pay for car repairs again, right? So this vehicle came here. It runs very poorly. It's missing really bad. It doesn't have any power, and yeah, it's not feeling well. And we've spent the last week and a half fighting with Endurance to get them to cover said repairs on the car. And I believe it was today. So after about a week and a half, they finally decided that we're so sorry. We're not going to cover any of those repairs. They fall into a different category on your contract that's not covered. So the customer made the decision today that she's going to pay for the repairs out of pocket. So we've ordered the parts. But this particular vehicle is missing real bad, low on power. We're going to actually conduct a tune-up on it. We're going to change the spark plugs and the coils, I believe. We're going to do a 3-part oil change kit to it because it is a variable valve event engine that's in this. So there's going to be cam phasers and stuff that's going to work with the engine performance. And then we're going to do an induction service as well. So I am so excited about how this vehicle is going to perform for this lady. She's going to realize that it's actually not been running well for a long time. And when she gets it back in a couple of days, probably tomorrow or the next day, she's going to realize that the car is feeling much better. And we're also going to help her build a maintenance plan to stay on top of this so that it won't be such a big blow in the future. So another one for the books. The third-party warranty says, we was happy to take your money, but no, we won't help you. And now the customer is now paying out of pocket for these repairs after waiting for a week or week and a half to even get the answers from the warranty company that no, we're not going to help you. So lots going on there. The good news is she's in great hands. We're going to make her and the car feel better. I'll let you know how it goes. See ya.